Lots of changes are in store for the newest generation of the Honda Accord. The two-door coupe has bitten the dust, as has the previous iteration's optional V6 engine and standard naturally aspirated inline-four. Thus the sedan-only Accord enters 2018 with two new turbocharged four-cylinders, a 1.5-liter and an optional V6 replacing 2.0-liter. And have you looked at the new Accord? Same isn't a word to describe it. What hasn't changed much, though, is the Accord's price, which rises by $315 to $1,265 depending on the model, or its trim level structure, which still includes the familiar LX, Sport, X, XL, and Touring versions. The Accord's base price now sits at $24,445 for an LX model with the turbo 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine mated to a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, $315 higher than the 2017 model. Standard features on the LX include dual-zone automatic climate control, a backup camera, push-button start, and a 7.0-inch touchscreen with USB and Bluetooth connectivity. Last year's Accord sedan offered a 6-speed manual with the four-cylinder LX, Sport, and X trim levels. This go-around Honda is offering the stick shift only on the 2018 Accord Sport trim, starting price $26,655, but it can be paired with either the standard 1.5-liter 4 or the more powerful 2.0-liter. The 1.5-liter Sport, which also can be had with a no-cost CVT, includes 19-inch wheels, a power driver's seat, and an 8.0-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. At $28,345, the Accord X 1.5T adds a few more bits of luxury kit, including heated front seats, a sunroof, remote start, and blind spot monitoring, while the $30,845 XL brings leather upholstery, a memory driver's seat, and a power passenger seat. The XL is the only trim that offers navigation as a $1,000 option. The feature is standard on the $34,675 Touring 1.5T, which comes loaded with a head-up display, cooled front seats, heated rear seats, 19-inch wheels, extra chrome trim, rain-sensing wipers, and adaptive dampers that are controlled by a sport mode button.